Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why Google AI Studio just killed Lovable. Yes, Google's new AI workflow basically turns anyone into an app developer, and it is one of the craziest AI app building tools we have seen so far. So when you come here on the aistudio.google.com, now you will find the option of the new app or the vibe code Gen AI enabled app in built. So Google AI Studio now lets you build the full applications with the natural language and not just the tiny demos. You just have to give it the prompt over here and it is going to generate the backend, front end APIs, auth system and the database logic for you. For example, if I just type this prompt over here, which is create a task manager app with the user login, database and modern UI, and click on the option of build, again it is going to generate everything for me. It is also going to read your existing code. It is going to fix the bugs, adds the feature and update the whole files, even full projects. So this is basically like having a senior engineer sitting next to you 24/7. Lovable was amazing, but it focused mostly on the fast prototypes and simple web apps. Google went one level higher, full stack, scalable production apps with tighter integrations into the Google ecosystem. Plus, the generation speed and the understanding of the structure is also insane. It builds React or Flutter the screens, connects them to the database and explain every step cleanly. So yeah, Lovable changed the game first, but Google just walked in and dropped a nuclear level upgrade. So if you wanted an AI developer assistant, this is probably the one. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.